Hi, Virgo! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel kung saan I will talk about Virgo February 1 to 15, 2020 bi-weekly Tagalog Tarot Reading. Kindly watch not only your sun sign but also your moon, rising, and Venus signs as well for a complete view of what might possible happen on February 1 to 15, 2020. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started, shall we? Okay. Hindi ko po muna gagamitin ng tarot cards dahil may bago tayong cards. So, pagpahingayin muna natin yung card na yon, yung tarot card na lagi kong ginagamit. Para magkaroon naman ng ibang aura talaga. Oh my God. For a change, o basta ganun, sa channel na ito. So, gamit tayo ng oracles. Anong message pala sa iyo sa 2 linggo na darating? Ito. Ay, baliktad. Okay, ano to? So, sabi dito, acquiring knowledge, insecurity, manipulation. Kailan baliktad eh. Ano kayo meaning nun? So, tingnan natin sa libro. Saan na ba yung libro? Number 16. Okay, malapit na. Hindi mahanap eh. Eto na. Baliktad. The Shadow Queen gently asks you to address your innermost character flaws with compassion. For now, it's time to bring your wounded self and hidden agendas into the light. You're seeing the tangible results of those aspects of your nature that have evolved in response to the difficulties in your life. They have been a means to help you survive. Perhaps you're falling prey to insecurity, masks as elitism and arrogance, believing that you know best, to comparing yourself with others, or to being fearful and self-sabotaging. You may have been taught that manipulating others rather than being direct is the way to get your needs met. The Shadow Queen reminds you that manipulation in any form isn't the best method of getting what you want. Another meaning that can also apply is the possibility that you are being affected by someone else's wounded self. Perhaps you are the one being manipulated. Whatever the case, it's time to take a fearless personal inventory and observe what part you play in the dramas and potential disasters in your life. When you come to the place of humility, forgiveness, and grace, then you may proceed again and walk into the light. There is great value and strength in facing your own shadow in the realm of the Shadow Queen. Oh my God, ang haba. Sana naintindihan nyo sa haba ng kwento. So, siguro ina-advise overall, ina-advise ng card na to, na si Shadow Queen na baliktad. Na i-work on ang insecurities. Pero wait lang, ang ingay ng ambulance. Parating na naman yung ambulance. OMG, pang ilan na yan? Madaling araw na may ambulance pa din. Alauna na. Wala talagang pinipiling oras ang sakit at disgrasya. Kaya naway palagi po tayong mag-ingat dahil isa lang po ang buhay natin. So, balik na tayo sa kwento ko. Maging compassionate daw eh. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na wala kayong compassion sa kapwa or sa sarili, pero dito sa card na to, parang ina-advise na mas maging compassionate sa ibang tao or sa sarili. Ayun. Again, i-work ang insecurities. Huwag maging masyadong arrogant. Okay, tinatagalog ko lang yung yung sinabi ko kanina. Huwag i-compare ang sarili sa iba at huwag mag-self-sabotage. Okay? Huwag niyo i-degrade ang sarili. Okay? Alam mo yun, yung pag nade-depress, di ba? Sinisisi yung sarili or nagagalit sa sarili. Huwag ganon. Okay? Hindi nakakatulong yan sa mentality. Iwasan natin yung negative vibes. So, yun. Sabi dito, you may have been taught that manipulating others rather than being direct is the way to get your needs met. So, again, di na kailangan Tagalogin yun. Alam na. So, iwasan, siguro iwasan maging controlling sa loob ng 2 weeks, lalo na sa mga kapartner o taong malapit sa iyo. Sa work, or baka may tendency maging manipulative sa loob ng 2 weeks. Kaya, ina-advise na maging, wary sa attitude or behavior this week. Ano pa? When you come to the place of humility, forgiveness, and grace, then you may proceed again and walk into the light. Kaya pala may hawak siyang ilaw doon. Parang ina-advise dito na learn to forgive others and walk into the light. Ganun ang dating. Parang this week, ina-advise ni Shadow Queen na baliktad na i-value natin ang ating sarili. Work on our strengths para ma-face natin ang ating mga fears. Okay? Lumayo sa mga drama. Okay? Na pwedeng ma-encounter. Kasi yung mga drama na yan ay baka maging potential disaster. Okay? Sa buhay natin. Kaya lumayo sa drama. Huwag masyadong pairalin ng emotions. Siguro, sa week na to, dapat maging left brain tayo. Puro left brain. Huwag muna right brain. Kasi, syempre, pag right brain laging ginagamit mo, dapat balance eh. Pag right brain, edi may tendency na maging tawag ito. Ano mo yun? masyadong expressive ng feelings. Masyadong pinapairal ang emotion bago ang isip. May iba nga na, di ba? Alam mo kasabihan yun? Nakalimutan ko. Pero yung think before you, think before you act, or think before you say. Parang ganun ang dating. This week, parang ina-advise na maging ganun tayo. Kasi baka ayun nga, sabi ko nga, magkaroon ng imbalance sa pagitan ng left brain at right brain. Or brain at heart. Dapat, balance. Kasi pag imbalance yan, ay alam na, disaster. Kaya pala may potential disaster dito. So, yun. Kasi pag puro emotion yung iniisip mo, wala. May tendency na baka may masabi tayong, alam mo na, hindi ka nais-nais. Baka, alam mo yun, sobrang frank. Baka may masaktan tayong iba. O, diba? Kaya pala, sabi, ano ba yung sabi kanina? May potential na disaster. So, kaya pala pinapalayo tayo sa drama. So, malay mo, di ba? Hindi naman masamang mag-ingat. Kaya ang sabi nila, prevention is better than cure. Okay? Ano pa? So, yun. Dapat balance. Kapag naman puro left brain naman ginamit mo, masyado ka namang cruel. Tama ba yung bigkas ko? Or masyadong cold or heartless. Dapat talaga, balance. Kasi, pag puro left brain, hindi mo naman ang mangyayari niya, hindi mo naman, tawag dito, hindi mo, parang pangit din Kasi parang, hindi mo pinahalagaan yung feelings ng iba. So, disaster pa rin yung kalalabasan. So, like I always say, kailangan balance. Balance sa pagitan ng brain at heart, saka left brain at right brain. So, I think that's it for now. Virgo, kindly like, subscribe, and share my videos to help me grow my channel. Goodbye for now.